Have you ever wondered what it takes to excel in the JEE? To unlock your true potential and conquer one of the most competitive exams in the world? Today, we're going to explore the power of motivation and how it can propel you towards JEE success. Success in JEE isn't just about intelligence or natural talent. It's about hard work, dedication, and most importantly, unyielding motivation. It's that burning desire deep within you that pushes you to go the extra mile, to study one more hour, to solve one more problem, and to never give up. So how do you cultivate this unyielding motivation? It starts with finding your why. Why do you want to crack JEE? What is your ultimate goal? Visualize that dream, that future you desire, and let it fuel your determination. Next, set clear and specific goals. Break down your JEE preparation into smaller milestones. Each milestone achieved will bring you closer to your ultimate goal. Celebrate these small victories along the way, as they will keep your motivation alive. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your ambition. Build a support system of friends, mentors, and teachers who will uplift and inspire you. Their success stories and positive energy will remind you that anything is possible with dedication and hard work. Stay disciplined and maintain a consistent study routine. Create a schedule that works for you and stick to it, no matter what. Remember, motivation may ebb and flow, but discipline will keep you on track, even during the toughest days. Lastly, never lose sight of your why. Keep reminding yourself of your ultimate goal and purpose. Embrace setbacks and failures as learning opportunities, and never let them deter you from your path. Remember, unlocking your potential and mastering the JEE is within your reach. With unyielding motivation, you can achieve anything. So go out there, study hard, and make your dreams a reality. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration.